everybody, welcome back to Sammy Joe Did You Know? Today's tech tip is going to show you how to look up a domain and who that domain is registered to. This tip is going to help you if you get an email potentially from a new client or maybe a business that you don't know anything about, or if you think that an email that you got is a phishing attempt. Super easy. All you're going to do is you're going to go to this website, Who.Is, nothing else. You're going to see a search bar pop up in the middle of your page. Go ahead and enter the @ and everything after it on that person's email address. Once you hit search, it's going to pull up the results and tell you when that domain was created, when it is due for repayment, also who owns the domain and where the domain is hosted. Things like that can tell you, one, if it is a phishing attempt. Typically those domains are created same day or potentially a few days before. So any domain that was created with the intent to hack into somebody's network is not going to have any longevity to it. I hope you like this week's tech tip. Stay tuned for more Sammy Joe Did You Know?